Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we will be watching this video that's called, Embarrassing Dude Gets Walked on a Leash Like a Dog by his girlfriend for cheating on her. So let's watch this filming video. Get away from me. You ain't using mine. I already got into a video. Got her man walking on a leash. That woman just right there, she's saying, you deserve this, you deserve this. Yeah, you doing right, girl. Look, she right there recording.
This shit is hilarious.
Now that was funny. I'm watching it again. First of all, she got on me walking on the leash like, you cheat on me, this was gonna happen. So you want to still be with me, but you gotta do this to be with me. I have to watch it again. She smelling.
Can you stop?
Something do stink for me.
Oh no.
She listen to her. Reaction to a video. That's Car. We
No, she jumping on my back. Flip you over.
Well, quit pushing her.
Daddy, she jumped on his back and kept messing with him. And we reacting to the video.
I was trying to get over him, then he had got on me.
Get over there and over them then.
He came off.
What? What red?
I'm watching it after this again.
Get over there.
It's funny.
This shit is hilarious.
The first one's on worldstarhiphop.com. You want to watch it again? Do you want to? This time I'm using it like this.
I don't want to watch it.
I do. Oh, she choking me.
Oh, you like texting other women? Yeah, you deserve that shit. I'm saying, let's go. Put it on. Let's go. Yup. Want to be entertain other people? Got me looking stupid. Now he looking. Wait, who paid for this costume? I'm saying, let's go. Want to be a dog? This shit is hilarious. Play around. I have you looking stupid.
Okay, breathe. Ooh, that woman said, once my boyfriend did it, we doing the same thing.
No, that's you.
And I'm recording it
That's
on
you.
World Star. For real. She recording it on World Star. Her man do that to her. She recording that on World Star. So you guys, Stephanie was hilarious. She made her man walk on a leash because he cheated on her and wanted to text other girls. Yeah, you should not do that because that's what's gonna happen if Yeah.
Maybe something else will happen.
Yeah, but yeah, you get stuff will happen if you cheat on your girlfriend like that, and then she find out some stuff will happen. Sometimes it won't. Oh, my birthday is Sunday on Father's Day. And the people that's coming with me, they will be coming to the biggie with me on Monday.
I miss.
You're my sister.
I know.
So
I don't have to go.
I made my intro, and yeah, gang.
You pick, cause it's gonna be